The electric sedan war is no longer coming. It's already here. And the 2026 BYD Seal is stepping into the spotlight with one clear mission: challenge the global EV elite head-on. Sharper design, smarter battery technology, stronger performance. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a declaration. Built by Chinese EV giant BYD Auto, the Seal has quickly become one of the brand's most important global models. For 2026, it evolves into something even more refined and more dangerous to its competitors. Exterior design, ocean aesthetics sharpened. The 2026 Seal continues BYD's ocean aesthetics design language, but with a more mature and aggressive execution. Key exterior highlights: ultra-slim LED headlights with sharper D or L signature, sculpted front bumper with aerodynamic airflow channels, flush door handles for reduced drag, 19 and 20-inch aerodynamic wheel options, full-width LED rear light bar, more refined rear diffuser detailing. The low-wide stance gives the Seal a sport sedan presence. Its coupe-like roofline enhances aerodynamics while maintaining rear passenger space. The result? A premium electric sedan that looks far more expensive than its segment suggests. Blade battery technology, BYD's biggest advantage. At the heart of the 2026 Seal lies BYD's advanced blade battery. Unlike traditional lithium-ion battery packs, the blade battery focuses on improved structural safety, higher durability, better thermal stability, longer cycle life range expectations for 2026 models, estimated market dependent. Standard range, approximately 300 to 340 miles, WLTP equivalent. Long range, approximately 400 plus miles, WLTP equivalent. Performance AWD, slightly lower due to dual motor output. Charging capability continues to improve, with faster DC fast charging support and smarter battery preconditioning for optimal efficiency. Performance, instant torque, confident grip. The 2026 BYD Seal isn't just about efficiency, it's about speed. Estimated performance figures: RWD variant, approximately 5.5 seconds, 0 to 60 miles per hour. AWD performance, approximately 3.8 seconds, 0 to 60 miles per hour. Dual motor versions provide intelligent torque distribution, enhancing traction and cornering stability. Acceleration is smooth, linear, and silent, the hallmark of a well-tuned EV platform. Driving dynamics, balanced and composed. The Seal's dedicated EV platform offers low center of gravity due to floor-mounted battery, improved chassis rigidity, independent suspension setup, precise steering calibration. For 2026, ride refinement improves with better damping and reduced cabin vibration. Highway cruising feels stable, and urban driving remains effortless. It blends sportiness with everyday usability, a key strength in the competitive EV sedan market. Interior, tech-forward and premium. Inside, the 2026 Seal feels modern and sophisticated. Interior highlights: rotating 15.6-inch central touchscreen, digital driver display, premium vegan leather upholstery, ambient lighting system, panoramic glass roof, advanced driver assistance interface. The rotating touchscreen remains one of BYD's signature features, allowing users to switch between portrait and landscape orientation. Materials feel upscale, and cabin insulation has been improved for a quieter ride. Smart technology and safety. The 2026 Seal integrates advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control lane, keeping assist automatic emergency, braking 360-degree camera system, blind spot monitoring software updates enhance efficiency and user interface responsiveness over time. Global market position. The BYD Seal competes directly with electric sedans in the mid-size segment and has become a serious alternative to established EV brands. Its advantages: competitive pricing, strong battery technology, long driving range, premium design, rapidly expanding global presence. As BYD continues global expansion, the Seal plays a key role in reshaping the perception of Chinese EVs worldwide. Expected pricing: market dependent. Pricing remains one of the Seal's strongest weapons, typically undercutting many established EV competitors while offering comparable range and features. Why the 2026 BYD Seal matters. The EV market is evolving rapidly, but not every brand evolves with it. The 2026 BYD Seal proves that innovation is no longer limited to traditional automotive powerhouses. With advanced battery technology, strong performance figures, and bold design, it positions itself as one of the most compelling electric sedans of 2026. It's not just competing anymore, it's disrupting.